How's this for making a difference? An amazing gift that is right on time.
And it's all thanks to the generosity of a family-run business in Warren. They wanted to step up for someone who does so much for others.
7 News Detroit reporter Carly Petrus shows us how they found that special someone in a beloved school secretary.
These roofers hard at work here in Warren, and it's all for a good cause.
Hi. Katie receiving the surprise of her life this week.
We want to give you a new roof.
No way.
Yeah.
I don't even know what to say. Thank you.
Working at a nearby school in Warren, friends and family described the school secretary as someone who'd give you the shirt off her back.
I never in a million years would have thought, that we got picked.
Her selflessness getting her several nominations to receive a free roof from L&S Home Improvements this year, says Director of Operations Catherine Castiglione.
We've never had a nominee have so many nominations. In fact, she had 8 different people reach out to us saying how deserving she is of this free roof.
The annual gesture from L&S couldn't have come at a better time, says Katie.
We had a basement back up, and then 3 days later, the roof leaked. So that's already, over $15,000 in repairs. It just all came at once. So I was freaking out.
$15,000 in repairs that Katie says she couldn't afford but desperately needed, especially with water seeping through the ceiling in her son's room.
So this wasn't just a cosmetic situation. This needed to be done ASAP.
Yes.
Katie's gratitude, an amazing feeling for Castiglione and her husband, Adam Conklin.
When we came and told her that we were going to do the free roof for her, we just could see the weight lifted off her shoulders.
This marks the 3rd year in a row that they're able to provide someone like Katie free roofing services. All the materials for the project were donated by ABC Supply.
For all that you do, we're going to take care of you.
It is amazing. I can't believe it. I think I'm still in shock.
And if you'd like to nominate someone for next year's free roof giveaway from L&S, we'll have a link on WXYZ.com. In Warren, Carly Petrus, 7 News Detroit.
Such a kind and generous gesture, and to know they've done this for 3 straight years.
Yeah, much needed help. So glad to see. Thank you, Carly.